How's it going, guys? Your average student here. What I have for you guys today is an unboxing of the Google Pixel 3a. I really hope y'all enjoy it. Please leave a like if you do. Leave a comment for future video suggestions. And this is a very exciting video for me because I consider myself an Apple sheep. I have exclusively used iPhones for the past years, and this is my first dive into Android. So join the journey with me, guys. Let's get to it. All right, guys. So I went ahead and unboxed the device already so I could go ahead and set up the device and show you what it looks like out of the box. This is got a good little tour of the box. Again, it's the Pixel 3a. Just take it right out. And yeah, here it goes. So take off this wrapper. And I have it in this just white color. I like the hint of orange right here. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. Under here, you've got your power charging accessories, your Google setup manual. This right here is to help set up, transfer data from another device, your charging cable, and here should be your wall outlet right here. And yeah, folks, that's all that comes in the box. Nice presentation, I would say so myself, especially for a device that's only $3.99. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this box to the side. Let's take a look at the device. Now, of course, this is Pixel 3a. On the back, you have the renowned 8-megapixel pixel camera. Then again, the trick with this camera is the fact that it doesn't really rely so much on the sensor, it's the software itself. But it's a great looking device. Overall, feels pretty good in the hand. It feels almost, and I don't want to say this in a negative way, it feels almost like a toy. But that's because it's very lightweight, but it's really nicely built. It feels good in the hand, fits good, one-handed use. And let's go ahead and boot it up. Give you guys a tour of the device in the meantime. And so on the side, on the left-hand side, you have your SIM remover. On the top, you do have a headphone jack. Wow, wow. You have a microphone up here. Bottom, you have your USB-C fast charger, stereo speaker, microphone, and you do have the earpiece that doubles as a secondary speaker. And here is your front-facing camera. And on the back, you do have the fingerprint scanner. Works so, but I just booted it up. Let's go ahead and put in my request code. Now the screen on first impressions looks really good. Obviously it's an OLED 1080p panel, which there is nothing wrong with it at all. It's very bright. Looks good in direct sunlight so far. I have them right next to a window, which is shining bright, and this works just fine. And I'm excited to try it out for a good 2 weeks, guys. I'll keep you guys updated on how it goes. And yeah, as I'm coming from an iPhone, we'll see how it goes.